Good morning everyone, myself Dr. Abhay Bhardwaj. Today I am dealing with a molecule that is 5-membered heterocyclic compound. It is a ring molecule that contains 6 atoms in their structure, where the one atom is oxygen and remaining 4 atoms are carbon. As per the numbering of molecule, we can give the number of this heterocyclic compound as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, where the oxygen will always at first position and the remaining positions are of carbon. Then we can also give a nomenclature in alpha and beta notation, where this 2 position which is nearby the oxygen, this will be alpha and alpha dash, and the adjacent carbon position of alpha and alpha dash will be beta and beta dash. As per the introduction, the furan is heterocyclic compound consisting of a 5-membered aromatic ring with 4 carbon and 1 oxygen. Here the 1 oxygen is heteroatom. The word furan are generally come through the Latin word furfural or furfur, which means bran. So basically furfural is generally proceed from bran. Furan itself, it was the first prepared by Heinrich scientist in 1870, although he called it tetraphenol. So basically phenol is a 6-membered molecule where the 6 carbon are generally have the OH functionality, but here the 4 carbon have oxygen functionality. So same here, some chemical parameter are generally resembles with the phenol character, that's why it also give name tetraphenol, as if it is where a 4 carbon analog to phenol like C6H6O, as I said. So here we have some structural representation of furan like 2,3-dihydrofuran, furfural, where the aldehyde group is present at 2nd position, 2,5-dihydrofuran, where the 3rd position have unsaturation, and 2,3,4,5-tetrahydrofuran, which is a completely saturated molecule. Aromaticity of the furan. Furan have the aromatic character because it generally follow the Huckel's rule, which is 4n plus 2. The total 6 pi electron are present, where the 2 pair are generally from the side of carbon and remaining 1 pair is from the side of oxygen. So all 6 pi electron are generally delocalized inside the ring and maintain the aromatic character of the ring. If you will see the figure here, the 2 electrons of oxygen or lone pair of oxygen is parallel to the unhybridized p orbital of carbon and remaining lone pair of oxygen is perpendicular. So all the atoms in the furan molecule is sp2 hybridized. Method of preparation: we can prepare the furan with furfuryl derivative. It is a aldehydic derivative of furan. In the presence of PDC at 200 degree centigrade temperature, with the subsequent loss of carbon monoxide, the furan molecule will be prepared. The another method, it will be generally occur with 1,3-butadiene, which will be converted in the presence of copper catalyzed oxygen. Here you can see the oxidation reaction, where 1,3-butadiene generally convert into the furan molecule. Another method of preparation is a common reaction, Paul-Knorr synthesis, where the 1,4-diketone are generally go for 1,4 addition, and after the cyclization reaction, the furan molecule will be formed. The next method of preparation is feast binary synthesis. It is a condensation reaction between an alpha haloketone with beta ketoester. So it is a alpha haloketone, it is a carbonyl oxygen, and that carbon is alpha carbon and X is a halogen. So it is a alpha haloketone and beta ketoester. It will be condensed in the presence of ammonia. Then with the subsequent loss of water molecule, the substituted furan will be synthesized. In the another method of preparation, allynyl ketone undergo into the cyclization reaction in the presence of silver nitrate and methyl cyanide, and it will lead the substituted furan. A ring expansion reaction of alkynylic oxyranes in the presence of sulfuric acid and mercuric sulfate, it yield alkenic diol as an intermediate, which will be finally cyclized with heat in a furan molecule. Furan can also be prepared with the help of heterocyclic molecule like oxazoles undergo into Diels-Alder cycloaddition reaction and it will yield furan. So Diels-Alder reaction generally requires diene and dienophile. So acetylenic diene will be work as a dienophile and oxazole will be treated as a diene. After the subsequent reaction, both of them, then intermediate form will be occur and which will be finally convert into the substituted furan. Ring contraction reaction also yield furan, means the ring contraction reactions are those reactions where the ring will contract in their structure, or we can say the ring size will be decreased. You can see here a 6-membered ring, that is pyrrolinium salt, with the reaction of hydrogen peroxide, it will convert into the furan. So 6-membered ring is generally contract into the 5-membered ring, which is furan over here. Now the physical properties. The furan have the flammable and highly volatile liquid state. It is a colorless liquid. It has a strong odor like chloroform. It is generally solubilized in alcohol, ether and acetone. The boiling point of furan is 31.3 degrees centigrade. Same, it has the melting point which is minus 85.6 degrees centigrade. It could be carcinogenic or toxic for the humans. Chemical property. So pyrrole, furan and thiophene all are the pi-accessive rings. Pi-accessive ring means in the structure of furan, the 5 atoms, 1 oxygen and 4 carbon are generally utilizing 6 pi electron. So basically in general cases, the 6 electron or 6 pi electron generally deals with the 6-membered ring, but here in case of 5-membered ring, the 1 pi electron is more into the 5-membered ring. That's why the electron density is more than the overall character are generally known as pi-accessive ring character. So as per the chemical property, the furan generally go under the protonation reaction, where the furan substituted with electron withdrawing substituents are stable towards acid. However, the presence of electron releasing substituent on furan lead to generation of reactive electrophiles during protonation, which activate polymerization and ring opening reaction. So you can see when the furan is going for the protonation reaction, then in the last of the reaction the ring opening molecule are going form. Another type of reaction is mercuration. Furan readily undergo for mercuration reaction, where the two substituted mercury chloride derivative will form. The next reaction is the reduction reaction. Furan in the presence of metal and liquid ammonia and methanol, it will convert into dihydrofluoric acid. Now I am discussing the electrophilic substitution reaction of furan. So you can see furan have the oxygen as a heteroatom, and whenever the electrophile will attack on the furan ring, it will generally comes or attack from the two possible carbon paths. The first part is the second position from where the electrophile will attack. The next position is the third position of carbon where the electrophile attack. In both of the condition, the three resonating structure are generally occur into the second carbon attack, and the two resonating structure are generally formed in case of three carbon attack. So dear student, we know well if the resonating structure will be more, then we can say the positional attack will be more stable. So in an overall system of this electrophilic substitution reaction, the second positional attack will be more favorable in furan derivative. So we have some example of electrophilic substitution reaction of furan, where the second and fifth position of furan are generally substituted. So first is nitration. Furan is nitrated with mild nitrating agent like acetyl nitrate at low temperature. It will yield 2-nitrofuran as a major yield and 3-nitrofuran as a minor compound. Next electrophilic substitution reaction is sulfonation, where the furan is sulfonated with the complex of sulfur trioxide and pyridine. Sometimes dioxane could be used in the absence of pyridine. It will give 2,5-disubstituted furan derivative. Next electrophilic substitution reaction is a halogenation reaction, where the furan will be monohalogenated in the presence of bromine and dioxane once we are providing the condition up to -5 degrees centigrade. If we will do the same reaction at the room temperature, so the many substitution could be occur on the furan derivative with the help of halogens. If we have already substituted derivative at second position, then the halogenation will occur at fifth position. So you can see we have the substrate furan 2-aldehyde where the second position is already occupied, then the bromination is generally occur at fifth position. Now the final compound is 5-bromo-furan 2-aldehyde. Another reaction is alkylation, where furan does not undergo the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Why is it so? Due to its acidic sensitivity, furan can be alkylated at second position. Using alkene in the presence of mild catalyst, the acylation of furan with acid anhydride or acid halide normally required mild catalyst like phosphoric acid or boron trifluoride. No catalyst is required if trifluoroacetic anhydride is used as acylating agent. And finally, with the help of these reagents, we will got the 2-acyl furan derivative as a final product. Now I am coming on the condensation with the aldehyde and ketone. So you can see the reaction are generally start when the aldehyde will react with the furan and it will convert into the alcoholic intermediate. With the subsequent loss of water, the oligomers will finally obtained at the end of a reaction. Next reaction is oxidation reaction. It is a type of ring opening reaction. When the oxidation at substituted furan will occur in the presence of hydrogen peroxide, then the ring opening molecule will be formed. Now you can see the 5-membered ring has been opened over here. Reaction with diazonium salt. So furan react with benzene diazonium salt to give 2-phenyl furan. So it is a benzene diazonium salt. In the presence of base, the 2-phenyl furan will be formed. But if the furan will be substituted, so the same benzene diazonium salt in the presence of acetic acid will form the azo compound. You can see the final structure of azo compound where the azo linkage is present here. Reaction with nucleophilic reagent. Halofurans show more reactivity towards nucleophilic attack or substitution. So already we can say the substrate is halogenated over here, and it will undergo into the reaction in the presence of sodium methoxide. Then it will finally give the methoxyfuran as a yield. Application of the furans. As an important scaffold present in the drug like a ranitidine, which is an anti-ulcer, nitrofurazone, antibacterial, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, these all have the furan as a basic ring. Nitrofurans are a class of drug which is typically used as an antibiotic. Furazolidone for a specific and symptomatic treatment of bacterial or protozoal diarrhea are generally used, or we can say the commonly used in the routine purpose. Dronavir is a HIV protease inhibitor generally used in the treatment of HIV. Ferrocoxib is generally used to reduce the pain, inflammation, that is an NSAID. Lasoleucid is an agent which will use as a antibacterial. So that are the application of furan molecule. Here we have some structural example of derivative or drug where the furan molecule is present. So furazolidinone, it is an antibacterial agent where the furan is present. Anti-ulcer drug ranitidine, here the furan is present. Ascorbic acid that have the furan as a basic ring. Then antibiotic nitrofurazone, here also the furan ring is present. So that is whole about the furan, their chemical character, their reactivity, electrophilic substitution, application and property. Hope this video lecture will help you. Thanks.